In today's video, I'll talk about how vitamins C, E, K2, potassium, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids can help clean out your arteries and decrease the risk of heart diseases. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, plays a critical role in the formation of collagen, which helps to maintain the strength and elasticity of the arterial walls. It's also a powerful antioxidant that can help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the arteries. Vitamin C can help improve endothelial function, which can reduce the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. The endothelium is the layer of cells that line the interior surface of blood vessels, including arteries. Vitamin C has been shown to have a modest effect on reducing blood pressure, which can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. In addition to that, vitamin C has anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce inflammation in the arteries, which can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Vitamin C can be found in citrus fruits, such as oranges and grapefruits, kiwi, strawberries, tomatoes, red and green peppers, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. The second on the list is vitamin E. It is a fat-soluble vitamin and an antioxidant that can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the development of chronic diseases, including cardiovascular disease. Vitamin E has anti-inflammatory properties that can help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which can reduce the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. LDL cholesterol is often referred to as bad cholesterol because it can contribute to the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Also, vitamin E has been shown to have a modest effect on reducing blood pressure, which can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. It also can help prevent the formation of blood clots, which can reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. Vitamin E is found in nuts and seeds, such as almonds and sunflower seeds, vegetable oils, such as wheat germ oil and sunflower oil, and leafy greens, such as spinach and Swiss chard. While vitamin E can be beneficial for arterial health, it's important to note that high doses of vitamin E supplements may increase the risk of bleeding and may interact with certain medications, such as blood-thinning medications. Now we come to talk about vitamin K2 that helps regulate the deposition of calcium in the body. When calcium is not properly regulated, it can build up in the arteries and lead to the development of atherosclerosis, which is the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Vitamin K2 has been shown to help improve the elasticity of the arteries. This is important because stiff arteries can increase blood pressure and make the heart work harder, leading to an increased risk of heart disease. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the arteries and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Vitamin K2 is found in grass-fed meat and dairy products, such as beef liver and hard cheese, fermented foods, such as natto and sauerkraut, and some plant-based sources, such as spinach and kale. Potassium, as well, can have a significant impact on artery health as it has been shown that adequate potassium intake can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, which is often caused by the buildup of plaque in the arteries. It can help lower blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium. Potassium helps improve endothelial function, which is the ability of the arteries to dilate and contract properly. Poor endothelial function can lead to the buildup of plaque in the arteries and increase the risk of heart disease. Moreover, it can help reduce inflammation in the body, which may help prevent the development of atherosclerosis. That is the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Potassium is found in bananas, avocados, potatoes, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, spinach, and white beans. It's important to note that while potassium can be beneficial for artery health, excessive intake of potassium can be harmful, especially for those with kidney disease or other health conditions. Magnesium has been shown to have a beneficial effect on blood pressure by relaxing the blood vessels and reducing resistance to blood flow. This can help reduce the risk of developing high blood pressure and other cardiovascular diseases. It has anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce inflammation in the arteries, which can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Magnesium is important for maintaining normal heart rhythm, and low levels of magnesium have been linked to an increased risk of arrhythmias, or abnormal heart rhythms. It also helps regulate calcium balance in the body and may help prevent excessive calcium deposition in the arteries. Magnesium is found in nuts and seeds, such as almonds and pumpkin seeds, legumes, such as black beans and lentils, whole grains, such as brown rice and quinoa, leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, and seafood, such as salmon and mackerel. Next, we have omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce inflammation in the arteries, which can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Omega-3 fatty acids can help lower triglyceride levels in the blood, which can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and prevent plaque buildup. They have been shown to have a modest effect on lowering blood pressure, which can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Omega-3 fatty acids are found in fatty fish such as salmon, tuna, mackerel, herring, sardines, and trout. Also in flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, soybeans, fortified foods such as certain types of eggs and milk. Finally, it's important to note that while vitamins and supplements can play a role in promoting artery health, they should not be relied on as a sole treatment for artery-related conditions. Always talk to your doctor before taking any new vitamins or supplements, especially if you have a pre-existing health condition or are taking any medications. Thank you for joining. Ensure to subscribe to my channel for daily healthy tips.